Click to install the latest version of Insta360 Stitcher. When you see the screen that says Select Additional Tasks, you'll see an option labeled Install Plugin for Premiere. This option is checked by default. Just click Next to continue. This extension is compatible with Premiere Pro CC 2017 and later. Please note, when installing Insta360 Stitcher, make sure that Premiere is not already open on your computer. Otherwise, the installation will fail. When this version of Stitcher is finished installing, open Premiere. When you've created a new project, open the menu at the top called Window. Then navigate to Extensions and Insta360 Pro Importer, and then open the extension. Before importing an Insta360 Pro file with the extension, you'll need to select what type of video you're importing. The choices are monoscopic, stereo with left eye on top, and stereo with right eye on top. When importing videos captured using a per lens aspect ratio of 16:9, you'll only be able to choose monoscopic. When importing videos captured using a per lens aspect ratio of 4:3, you'll be able to freely choose among the different types. The extension supports simultaneous import of multiple file folders. But if any of the selected file folders contain files that don't support the video type you've chosen, these folders will be ignored. For example, if after choosing to import a stereo left eye on top video, you then select a 16:9 8K video, this content will not be imported. Please note, if you're importing from a USB device on a Windows computer, you must import your files directly from the This PC directory. If you import from Quick Access or another location, Premiere may encounter an importing error. When you import an 8K video file, Premiere will automatically display its content in the bottom left corner, showing it in a fully stitched form. When you take this file and move it onto the timeline to play it back, you'll see that there's a proxy video button under the playback screen, with the default already set to play back the proxy video. This is a key benefit of this extension. While you're importing your 8K video, a light, fast, and easy to work with proxy video will be simultaneously generated. Generating this proxy video won't consume any extra time or processing power. When we toggle off the proxy video button, you'll notice that Premiere essentially has to decode and encode an 8K video composed of the 6 full resolution files in real time. This heavy-duty task causes a severe lag in the playback, and at times the image displayed and the time bar are out of sync. Once you've toggled on the proxy video, the player will play back keyframes from your original video in the smoothest way possible according to your computer's specs. Previously, Insta360 Pro users would need to first import their footage into Insta360 Stitcher, stitch it together, and then take that file and import it into Premiere Pro or another third-party software. Now, Premiere Pro can directly handle a set of 6 unstitched video files, just as though they were a fully stitched 360 video, allowing users to immediately start work on editing, adding text and effects, and any other editing tasks, with no time spent stitching at the outset of a project. Premiere will stitch together the files at the highest quality, after the video has been fully cut and edited and is ready for export. Meanwhile, users will save the time that would have been wasted stitching footage that they didn't end up using in the final edit. Premiere Pro can even use hardware accelerated stitching, also at the same speed as Insta360 Stitcher.